Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about how to actually buy crypto, and specifically Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the main cryptos using Coinbase. So first of all, you want to bring up Coinbase, and you should come to this page. As you can see, I've already got a little bit of money in the account, only around $20. So if you want to buy some crypto, it's very handy buy sell button at the top. If we already know what we want to buy, just click on that and it'll bring up this little pop-up window. So straight away it defaults to Bitcoin and your default payment method. If you don't have a payment method, then it will prompt you to add a payment method, and to do that all you do is go to your account settings actually, which are the top here, and just add where it says your payment method. So if we go ahead and actually go to buy some Bitcoin, let's say I want to buy £10 worth of Bitcoin. If we didn't want to buy Bitcoin, there's plenty of other cryptocurrencies to choose from. You can then go ahead and preview the buy, and then it will come up showing you the current price of Bitcoin, which is around £31,400 at the minute. Purchase amount, so this is the amount of Bitcoin we'll be purchasing, £9.01, and we're actually going to pay a Coinbase fee of 99p for a total of £10. Now this £10 is going to give us 0.0002888 Bitcoin, and it's changing all the time. If you want to buy that now, you can just go ahead and click buy now and it'll be added to your account. But let's say we didn't know exactly what cryptocurrency we wanted to buy. So we could just go to this little trade tab at the side. And when it loads, it should bring up all of the top cryptocurrencies listed by market cap. So we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, and so on. And we can actually sort these cryptos by multiple factors. So we can look at the top movers of the day. So today actually it's Ribbon Finance, the biggest move of 32%, or many other factors such as interest earning currencies, or even ones that focus on smart contracts. So if we want to look into a bit more detail about a crypto, we could look at Bitcoin, for example, and shows you the current price in dollars now. So $41,000, not pounds, and brings up some very useful information, such as its market cap, current volume in the last 24 hours. So that's essentially how much money has been traded in dollars in the last 24 hours. So as we can see, this is $24.5 billion, which is a lot of money. It's actually a 22% increase over the previous day. The circulating supply at the minute, and the percentage of that in relation to the total supply, typical hold time of people, and trading activity. So you can actually see how many people are buying and selling that crypto at any one point. So if you want to buy Bitcoin using this method, there's just a lovely little tab to the right here. Just same as before, you just input how much you want to buy. So let's say £10. Preview the buy, and you get the same, you get the amount of Bitcoin at the top, price, purchase, amount, and fee. Just the same as before. And to go ahead and buy, you just click on buy now and it'd be added to your Coinbase account. So if you want to know what you can do with that crypto, I'll do another video about sending and receiving Bitcoin later, so make sure to get subscribed for that. But yeah, if you want to check Coinbase out and you're planning on buying around $100 or more of crypto, or £76 if you're from the UK, I'll include a link below, and if you click join through that link, it will give us both $10 of free crypto. So it's amazing, really. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for the next one. Cheers, guys.